Hey guys, we're just getting the floor laid out here. Takes a little bit of work when you first start doing this floating floor because it likes to move on you a little bit. So you've got to make sure that all your joints are nice and tight and you have nice straight lines along each one of your rows. And if you can start out when you do that, once you get 3 or 4 rows in there, everything kind of locks itself in and kind of holds itself together so that it keeps your straight lines. If you have a second person that's helping you out, what they can do, not only can you have a cut person, but you can also have somebody who's doing some layout for you. So this obviously is just hypothetical, but let's say I've got my end there and I'm laying these out. I can put them back off a little bit. If it's hardwood, you want them far enough away that you can get your nailer in there. With this stuff, you can get it nice and close. It's not that big a deal. But one of the things that you can do to save yourself time is, let's say that you have an end like this. You're going to obviously want to keep this end because that's the transition point right there. That's your bracket to lock into that. So you need to flip this around the other way and put it against the wall. So if you're doing a layout over and over, if you flip that around, then I can put this against the wall, mark here, go make a cut, and when I flip that back, it's the exact length that I need. So if you have a second person that's helping you out, you want to lay a bunch of it out before you get started so you can just kind of stay on your hands and knees and keep moving. A really handy little tip that professionals will use is that even though it's going to sit like that, they're wanting this end of the board. So the guy lays it out and dry stacks it where it's flipped around like that. So you can just mark it, get outside and get it cut quickly.